Mudhurwa kod Marikiti e chuny boma ma Nairobi oyie mar dar kendo dhi e chiro ma Kang'undo tok romo kod gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja. Jakom chiro ma Wakulima Paul Maina tok romo ni wacho ni johala go ma uso tungu, rabuon, machunga kod mananas dhi yudo thuolo ma huyanga e chiro ma gidhiye kendo golo dhogruok mosebede e chuny boma ma Nairobi. Sakaja olando weyo juogo johala go kuom dweche ariyo e sama gidar mar miyo gi thuolo mar duoko chenro mag gikare.
My people are law-abiding people.
Be a little bit brief because this was
we have concluded with a good discussion. We have agreed to keep law and order in our market. We have agreed that all the additional vehicles will move to Kang'undo Road.
We have agreed that after a certain number of vehicles, any additions will immediately go to Kang'undo as we pick it up, and we're giving it up 1 month to monitor the progress over there. So we have said there'll be zero tolerance against those who do not want to abide by the rules, because order will be fully restored. So we want to ask our traders to, even as they continue plying their business, to understand that this is a cooperation between ourselves and between the traders at our market.
Just also want to affirm that the communication which has been communicated by Our Excellency the Governor and the entire team of the business community from Wakulima Market is the agreement that we put in place to ensure that the people of Nairobi enjoy doing their businesses along our roads and also within the markets that are within the city.